our first plane ride together.
Yay! Mas kasama namin sila. It's a double honeymoon.
Yeah. Touchdown, Katiklan!
Touchdown, Katiklan!
Hey Jay, see you. Puti.
Nanap lang namin yung friend ni Martin.
Tagal kitang di nakita puti. Maputi ka ba ba? First boat ride together, baby! On the way to Bora.
Aliwalas po dito, ma'am, sir.
Oo nga eh, ang ganda.
Nakagulat ako.
Kahit
Ang
na
presko.
pulibok po, tahimik pa rin po. Parang hindi siya pulibok.
Yes, yes, yes.
Hi guys! So nandito na kami ni Martin sa Aqua. This is where we'll be spending our honeymoon here in Boracay. And it's actually a gift from one of our ninongs and ninang. So thank you Ninong Ian and Ninang Shara for this trip. So binook na lang kami dito sa Aqua. They got us a deluxe room, pero for some reason, in-upgrade kami ng Aqua to a junior suite with bathtub. So come on, let's do a full tour kasi sobrang na-amaze kami ni Martin. Pagpasok nyo, over here is the kitchen. So kita ko magiging domesticated housewife. So pwede kayong mag-wash dito, ganyan. And then meron na rin complimentary tea and coffee. Kung ano, yung parang mga selling mga condo. Yan. And then, so meron ding dining area dito na ang laki din. Ang ganda ng dining table. So, pwede daw magdala ng food dito from outside. Basta dito nyo lang sa room kakainin. And then, ang spacious niya, ang luwag. And then, over here is the very spacious bathroom. Ang laki talaga. Parang kwarto na siya sa laki. So, you have your sink. And then this junior suite comes with a bathtub. Yan. And of course, your toilet. And this is the shower area. Super laki. And kung nagtataka kayo kung nasan yung bedroom. So, nandito siya. Pero before that, ito yung living room area. So, may sofa. And then you also have your TV. And then over here, is the bedroom. So, meron ding TV. Oh, namumog siya. Parang nasa. So, ang laki. I'm not sure kung queen ba to or king. Basta super laki. And you have your closets and your vanity area. And then lastly, meron din siyang malaking balcony. Kasing haba niya yung buong unit. Super looking balcony where you can lounge. There. So thank you so much Aqua for upgrading us, not sponsored. Tinanong pa namin, what's the reason for the upgrade? Sabi nila, wala lang, we just do random upgrades sometimes. Oh my God, we're here sa beachfront! So sumakay kami nung e-trike from our hotel and we're now here sa beach!
Yeah!
The Boracay Paraos. Oh, it's so iconic. And I'm so happy to be here with Martin. It's our first Bora trip together. We've been to Bora separately, but it's our first Bora trip together.
So many firsts today. So many firsts.
First plane ride.
First boat ride. First Boracay. Love it.
Saya.
Yes.
We're gonna try Coco Mama for the first time. We're eating Coco Mama. Nakita ko to dati, tapos sabi ko kay Martin, you have to try this. I know this is so your jam, kahit na hindi ko pa na-try nun. And I'm right, he loves it.
Super.
Coconut
One-
ice cream with coconut.
First lick is the best.
Sarap. Try nyo. So refreshing, so light, pero ice cream siya.
Coco Mama. Yung mama.
Nasa D-Mall palengke kami and bumili si Martin ng saging for hydration. Kasi inom kami mamaya with Ninong Ian and Ninang Shara. So, kailangan daw niya ng banana para hindi malasing.
That's the technique. Potassium, salt, drink water. After 30 minutes, drink. You won't get drunk. Just got home from Red Coconut. We drank a lot of tequila. And here we are. I don't know. It's so cool. It's so breezy.
It's so breezy. Hindi lang halata kasi nakatali yung hair ko. Pero, ayan o.
Yes.
It's so cold.
So cool.
Parang wala ka sa beach. Parang nasa Tagaytay. Ooh, it's now, what time is it? 1 a.m.
1 a.m.
1 a.m. We just got back to Aqua. Kasi, walwal.
Walwalan.
Yung word for the day, walwalan.
Yung tequila ko, hindi by the shot, by the mug.
By the bottle.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah. Pero hindi naman naubos, so to be continued.
Yes, tomorrow.
Ako
Josh will see
cocktail
you.
lang tequila sunrise, so it's the boys. Okay, we're gonna sleep now.
Okay,
See you tomorrow.
day 1 success.
Success. See you tomorrow, day 2. Bora, day 2. Ang ganda. Look at that. Perfect weather today. Ngayon pa lang kami makakapag-beach talaga kasi kahapon, late na kami nakarating. So, pa-sunset na. Parang we just watched the sunset. So, ngayon pa lang yung beach day talaga namin. Kakatapos lang namin magpa-massage and now we're gonna get Jonas fruit shake. Gulo-gulo pa yung hair. After magpa-massage. Sabog. Puro oil yung buhok. Ayan. Let's get fruit shake. Jonas
Brothers.
Jonas shake. Tapos naman pa si Martin kasi una niya na-order. May milk pala. Ayaw niya inumin.
Lucky commenter will get the free expired Jonas.
I got mango banana. Si Martin.
Banana choco peanut.
Without milk. Massage, Jonas, and then now, pabalik na kami ng D-Mall para maghanap ng place where to eat lunch. Kung may recommendations kayo, comment down below. Alam mo, abot.
And get a free
Get a free Jonas.
you get a free Jonas with milk.
Na expired na. Our order arrived and it looks so good. Martin got piri-piri falafel. Yun yung sikat nila dito eh. The piri-piri and the piri-piri sauce. So, si Martin falafel. And then for me, I got their bestseller, piri-piri chicken. So, meron na siyang veggies, rice, chicken, corn, and bread. And then they have different sauces. Piri-piri sauces, garlic, lime, whatever, something. Looks so yummy. Let's eat! Na-try ko na. Ang sarap nung food nila. It has just the right amount of kick. Tapos crispy yung skin, juicy yung chicken. Sarap. Martin with his falafel.
Look that up. Very beautiful. Very elegant. Falafel, the best. It's my beach food, my mall food, my everyday food. I'm a falafel guy.
Hey guys, it's now the afternoon, 4 p.m. So, bumalik na kami to swim. Kanina hindi na naman kami nakaswim kasi ang init. Tapos hanggang ngayon mainit pa rin. Pero, yan. Bumalik na kami. We're back to swim. Sana naman makaswim na talaga kami. This is already our 3rd attempt. Nagbora pero hindi pa nakakaswimming.
Well, we will.
Okay.
Lalangoy ako papuntang Manila Bay.
Ang daming tao. Lalakad lang kami dito sa may beach.
Ito, very seldom that you see.
Ito daw yung gusto ni Martin sa Boracay. Beach. And then, boom! Starbucks. Beachfront Starbucks. Nandito kami sa may Station 1 kasi pupunta kami dun sa Watercolors Hotel. Nandun si Ninong Ian and Ninang Shara. Tapos doon na kami mag-swimming sa part na yun kasi konti lang daw yung tao. So, inaanap lang namin. Pero, yan, wala nga masyadong tao sa part na to. Yan, nag-swimming na kami pero syempre hindi ko nadala dun sa water. Tapos ang galing, may na-meet kami dito si Kobe. Ang galing niya mag-picture. Ipopost ko somewhere yung mga kuha niya. Tapos human drone pa niya kami.
Welcome to Boracay!
Kasi problem namin ni Martin, like, sino mag-picture sa atin para may mag-post tayo about their honeymoon. Tapos sabi nila, Ninong Ian, saka Ninang Shara, yun nga, may na-meet sila si Kobe. Galing niya mag-picture. Bata lang siya, pero pwede siyang fashion photographer.
Ngayon si yun ang Shara nagpapa...
Crystal kayak. Yun. So, after niya, ako naman magpapa-crystal kayak.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Making the most out of Boracay 2025.
Yeah, and magsa-sunset na. So, making the most of it. We're here at D-Mall for dinner. Ay, hindi pala. Ikot-ikot lang pala kami. And then dinner sa Muni-Muni. That's Martin and his cousin. Hey! We're with Martin's cousin, Josh!
Hey, what's up? You know the vibes. It's Rome 1, Rome 2, Romero Squad. Yeah, here. Celebrating the most important man of the weekend.
Yeah, before we go. Yeah, thanks man. My groomsman.
Yeah, he's one of the groomsmen.
Here, Boracay, baby. That's what it's up.
Yes, everything that happens to the island stays in the island.
Yes!
Let's get lost in paradise, man.
Love it. We're back in Coco Mama. It's our last night here, so we wanna eat Coco Mama again before dinner. Martin and Josh choosing Coco Mama orders. We're eating Coco Mama, tapos nasa loob kami ng Ferris wheel. Si Martin kasi, gusto daw niya sumakay nitong Ferris wheel. Wait, ayan o. Pambata lang naman siyang Ferris wheel.
Pwede na. I mean, alam mo, kahit mag-asawa na tayo, let's do girlfriend-boyfriend stuff.
Oo, parang date kumari.
Kahit date ng mga pang-teenager.
Parang date ng mga high schoolers. Ganon. Ferris wheel. Pero sarap talaga nitong Coco Mama. Coco. Sarap talaga ng Coco Mama. Go! Yay! Last one! Oh. Breakfast buffet. It's our last day here. Having breakfast.
So good. Apple breakfast is the best.
Kumakain lang kami breakfast and then mag-check out na kami to go home. To go home. To go to the jetty port and then to the airport.
Anything Aklanon?
Like what?
I have no idea.
Martin surprised me.
I'm picky with food. And I know Dan's ideal husband's meal is. And this is it.
No, it's so weird.
Hash
It's
browns,
so weird
fish
seeing
and
Martin.
chips, bacon, garlic rice. So not me. I'll give it a try.
Pero kumain na siya ng maraming salad kanina. In the real Martin.
Puro salad lang. Tapos vinaigrette.
Parang ito, ano lang, extra challenge, ganun.
Yeah. Give it a shot. Let's give it a shot.
My husband eating my favorite beef tapa.
Just wanted to make a wife happy.
Wow.
Make this very epic. Kasi hindi ka na ito gagawin ulit.
Once in a lifetime.
Once in a lifetime. Make this once in a lifetime moment. Never gonna do this again.